Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Steam to bank account. Find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, we go ahead over to our profile in here or store preferences, okay? And go ahead over to account details. And here, as you can see, the only option we have in here is to add a payment method and add funds. Now, you cannot directly withdraw money from Steam or from a Steam wallet to a bank account, as Steam funds are non-refundable and non-transferable once added to your account. Okay? To access the value, you must convert it into a real cash by using third-party websites to sell items bought with your Steam balance, or you can just go ahead and use the money to gift games or items to friends. Okay? I'm going to explain to you. I'm going to go ahead over to community in here and market. Okay? I've been using this technique for years. Okay, as you can see here, I have Counter-Strike 2, and I've got a ton of, or as you might have noticed earlier, I once got a ton of Counter-Strike skins. Okay, the ones from CSGO and CS2. Now, what you'll do is you're gonna want to click on View Inventory. Okay, and here, if you have just sold some items and you got the money. Okay, so what you'll do is go ahead and buy an item. Let's say you go ahead over to Market right here under Community. Buy an item that matches your balance. For example, you have maybe 1,000 pesos right here, and then you saw this price. Okay, what you'll do is buy it, and then go ahead and go to your browser and check some websites that buys your skins. Okay, I'm not going to show you some websites, but that's just how it works. Okay, again, you got the balance. Purchase something from a community market, again from community market. Okay, now once you have the item, there'll be some freeze, maybe 7 days. Okay, then you will find a website. Let's say if I were you, I'm going to go ahead and buy some items from Counter-Strike, Dota 2, something like that. Okay, so that it will be easily converted to real money. Okay, again, select the website, sell your items from there, and then once done from the website, you'll have the option to withdraw the cash to your bank account. Okay, that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.